Hello students, in today's video we are going to learn about the different components of an ecosystem. So basically there are two components of ecosystem that are abiotic components and biotic components, right? Abiotic components are the components that are non-living. ठीक है, ऐसे कंपोनेंट्स जो नॉन लिविंग हो उनको हम कौन से कंपोनेंट्स कहते हैं? एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स कहते हैं. The example is in front of you, that is air, temperature, light, soil, water, humidity, minerals. All these things are abiotic components. Whereas what is biotic components? They are actually the living components of an ecosystem. ठीक है, लिविंग कंपोनेंट्स में हमारे पास क्या क्या एग्जांपल्स आ जाती हैं? यू कैन सी ओवर हियर बैक्टीरिया, plants, animals, and other microscopic organisms. So let's talk further about the biotic component. There are three types of biotic components in an ecosystem. The first one is producers, the second one is consumers, and the third one is decomposers. Let's talk about the producers first. Plants produce food for themselves and for animals with the help of water and sunlight. That is why they are called producers. तो हमारे पास कौन से living organisms हैं जिनको हम producers कहते हैं? That are plants. And not only the plain plants that are grown on the land, we can also include aquatic plants in producers as well. Aquatic plants उन plants को कहते हैं जो sea में grow करते हैं, जो पानी में grow करते हैं. ठीक है, तो पानी में grow करने वाले plants, for example lotus, right? तो कुछ animals जो हमारे water में होते हैं, they get food from the aquatic plants as well. Just as the plants on the land, some of the living organisms such as animals and humans, they get food from the other plants. Alright, let's move on to the next part, and that is the consumers. Okay? So what is a consumer? The living things which obtain food from other living things are called consumers. They cannot make their own food. वो अपना food खुद से नहीं बना सकते. They depend on plants and other plant eating animals for their food. All animals and humans are consumers. तो हम क्या कहते हैं? कंज्यूमर कौन से एनिमल्स होते हैं? दे ईट अदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स फॉर द फूड. तो एग्जाम्पल में कौन से आते हैं हमारे पास एनिमल्स? फॉर एग्जाम्पल all the animals are consumers and humans are also consumers. Alright, because they get food from the plants and all the other plant eating animals. Last, we have decomposers. The living things which break down the dead bodies of plants and animals into simple particles and obtain their food from these are called decomposers. ऐसे animals जो dead material, for example dead plants या dead animals को eat करते हैं and then they make their food from them, उसको decompose करते हैं और उसके बाद उसका अपना फूड बनाते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? डीकम्पोजर्स. तो डीकम्पोजर्स में हमारे पास एग्जांपल आती है बैक्टीरिया और फंजाई की या फंगस की आप कह सकते हैं. तो ये हमारे पास मेन डीकम्पोजर्स है. ठीक है, दे ईट द डेड animals and dead plants and then they decompose them and then they make food for themselves. Okay, so these are the three components of a biotic environment. All right, we will discuss further about the ecosystem in the next video.